In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Filevine to Outlook. Now to do this, first you want to open Outlook, you want to go to the top here where it says More Apps under the Home tab, and you want to click on More Apps. From here, you want to click on Get Add-ins over here, you want to go to All on the left, and you want to go to the top right where you can search add-ins, and you want to look for, of course, Filevine, okay? So just type in Filevine, and you should be able to see it over here. Simply click on it, and click on this Add button. Now when you do this, it's going to get added automatically, and here you can see when you can use this. So you can use it while reading emails, you can use it while composing emails, as well as while composing meeting invitations. So when you've done that, you can go out of here by clicking the two X buttons. And now if you go and try to essentially like write a new email or read it, you'll see that if you go to apps up top, let me actually open this like that, there we go. You can always go to apps over here and you have Filevine. So you'll be able to click on it like this, you'll be able to sign into your account, and that way you'll be able to of course start using it inside Outlook. Okay, you can do the same thing while reading emails as well, just like this, and of course as you were able to see earlier while composing meetings. Okay, that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.